children, we have been discussing the lesson Who Did Patrick's Homework. The first 6 paragraphs are completed already. What is given in the first 6 paragraphs? The boy was not interested in doing homework. He was interested in playing games like hockey, basketball and Nintendo, and many times he would receive the warnings, suggestions from the teachers to concentrate on studies, and even he also felt that he is ignoramus, means someone who is lacking of education. Then one day while sitting at home, the cat was playing with a little doll. Suddenly he grabbed that little doll. To his utter surprise, it wasn't a doll, it was an elf. He saved its life. He didn't give back to the cat. By not giving back to the cat, he saved its life. So the elf promised him to grant a wish. So the boy asked the elf to do his homework till the end of the semester, that was 35 days duration. In the beginning he felt very lucky that he had someone to do his homework, but later on he felt very restless because he had to guide that elf in all the way. It was a difficult task for him. It became a nag. Let us see what happens in the 7th paragraph. Here it is. As a matter of fact, every day in every way that little elf was a nag. It was agreed. The elf agreed to do his homework and he felt very happy in the beginning, but day by day it was expecting the instructions in all the way, so it is difficult task for the boy Patrick to help that the little man elf. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? Compared to earlier days, the boy is working harder. Was it a drag? Was it a drag means, is it something uninteresting? He was staying up nights. He had to stay up to midnight to complete his homework. He had to instruct that elf. Had never felt so weary. He had never felt so weary. He had never felt so restless. Now he is very tired because of the instruction, continuous instruction, that he had to work more than the elf. He would feel that the homework is done by the little man, but the elf was taking help and it was making him to work harder than earlier. He had never felt so weary. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. He would go to school with plumped eyes and bleary. Bleary means something dull and uninteresting. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. It was agreed that the elf had agreed to do his work, to do his homework till the end of the semester, that was 35 days duration. At the end of the semester, after completion of the semester, it was free to go. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. At the end of the semester, after completion of the homework, after completion of the examination, there was no homework, it was free to go. So he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. Quietly means silently and slyly means sarcastically. It slipped out of the back door. It creeped out of the door. Patrick got his A's. Patrick had got A grades in all the subjects. Now he is happy. His classmates were amazed. Amazed means surprised. They were unable to believe him, unable to believe it. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. The teachers felt very happy that the boy who was not doing homework, who was neglecting homework, now he took it serious and he has secured A grades in all the subjects. So they appreciated him. they praised. Praise means appreciate. And his parents, what about his parents? They wondered what had happened to Patrick. It was difficult for him in the earlier, but after the result, the parents felt very happy. They wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Model means someone who is good at in all the aspects. Now the boy Patrick is a model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now he took all the things serious. He cleaned his room and did his chores, everyday's task. Chores means everyday's task. Was cheerful. Cheerful means happy. Never rude. Never behaved. He never behaved rude. He became kind to others, soft, and he didn't treat anyone in harsh manner, like he had developed a whole new attitude. His feeling others about other tasks was changed. He had developed a new attitude. Attitude means a feeling about someone or something. Let us go to the last one. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. Patrick thought that all the homework was done by the little elf, but he is not aware of that he himself did that work. But I will share a secret. Just between you and me, it wasn't the elf that the poet is telling the secret. Secret means the hidden thing. Just between you and me means just between you, readers, and me means poet. Here me refers to poet. He is telling us it wasn't the elf, that the homework was not done by the elf, the little man. The boy Patrick himself did it. Patrick had done it himself. That is a wondering thing, surprising thing here. The boy unknowingly worked harder than earlier and did his homework, and finally he changed his attitude, completely changed his lifestyle. Thank you, children. We have completed the lesson. Read it, and whenever you feel difficulty, just underline it. We'll go through that doubts in the regular classes when you join school. Thank you. Have a nice day.